Hey guys, it's Nye and welcome to my world. I want to first say Happy New Year. I haven't spoken to you guys since the new year has started, and I kind of got taken off track. Um, my first video that I wanted to say or put out to you guys was going to be very much different. It was a little bit more on a positive note, just updating you guys and letting you know where the channel was going to go for the upcoming year. But like we all know, we really can't plan life to a T because when things happen, they happen. And when life comes at you, you just have to react and respond. Um, I recently been I've recently found out that someone I've known for a long time has been undergoing a bunch of injustices in my opinion. The backstory that's being told is that has been going through a bitter custody battle with his daughter's mom, and he's been going back and forth with the different things as far as visitations and things like that. Fast forward, and to just make the story as short as possible, his daughter was diagnosed with cancer in August, and he found out via rumor, to where he has had to been going back and forth to the courts to get court orders to basically see his child. Um, on January 1st, his child unfortunately died um, from the cancer at 10 years old. So, as a mother, first and foremost, it's going to hit me because, the age of the child is very close to my oldest. And just as a person, knowing him and knowing the family to whatever extent I do, it hit me because I don't know them or him to be the type of person that deserves such treatment. So, with that being said, a long, um, it's been a long few days, and a lot has happened. And I don't want to speak on his situation because I haven't been there firsthand. But I would leave links below if you want to look into it further. Um, I'm not here to speak on his relationship with his daughter's mom because, like I said, I think it's very irresponsible if I were to sit up here and judge her or give accounts about something that I wasn't firsthand a part of, something that I don't know personally. I don't know her, so I can't really weigh in on that. I wasn't there with them every second of their relationship. I wasn't there, so I cannot speak on it. What I will say though is, throughout all that has happened, she has, for her own reasons, wanted to prevent him from being a part of the child's illness and wanting to she basically prevented him from being able to support his child. She made every attempt to prevent him from attending the services, viewing the body, um, being able to get whatever type of closure a parent gets from their child passing away. She succeeded in preventing him from being a part of the burial. Uh, a lot of authorities and a lot of people in position of power that could have made his situation different failed him, in my opinion. And I just want to first and foremost say that he is one of the strongest people I know because he has turned his pain into his purpose. And it's something that I have said many, many times because a lot of times when things happen, we can either succumb to it or we can rise above it and use it as our power. And I commend him because he has decided to use this as his power and not allow his child and her death and her name to go in vain. And I commend him 1,000%, and I support him in that effort 1,000%. I have racked my brain over and over and over and over to kind of put myself in her position to see what could any of my, any father do to make me as a mother go to those lengths. And honestly, I can't come up with one. I don't know her reasoning, like I said, and I can't say her reasoning is incorrect or invalid, but I myself, I cannot come up with one reason as to why I would go to that length that she took. He has now decided to um, try to get a law passed. The law is called the Manai Act. His daughter's name was Manai Henry. His name is Leon Henry. He has decided to try to get this law passed, which will prevent any form of parent alienation, especially in times of illness and death. I would hope that all my followers could go to the website and sign the petition. He has a GoFundMe in efforts of raising enough money to help with the lawyers and help with any legal fees and any type of matters in his effort of producing and passing this law. I just really hope that he finds the peace, and I really hope that this child is resting in peace, and I hope that the mother could find her peace and come to terms with what she has stolen from him for whatever reason. I I try to relate because as someone who was a single mom, it's hard when you judge the mother, and it's hard when you try to put yourself in anyone's position because, like I said, you don't know what's going on. But I think for me, um, keeping a father who wants to be a part of their child's life away is detrimental, and it's doing more harm to the child than you think you're doing good. If a father wants to be in his child's life and is a healthy person towards this child, whether there's make sure there's no physical, mental, sexual abuse, anything like that. But if a father is healthy for their child, I think as mothers, we need to keep in mind that if we try to prevent that relationship, we are definitely creating more harm than good for our children. Um, I think we need to be a little bit more sympathetic and empathetic to the parents in the situation because when a relationship goes astray, it is very hard to maneuver when there are still emotions involved and when there are just unsettled dust, per se. My heart goes out to Leon because I just can't imagine what he's going through. I'm sitting here doing this video and I had a million and one points to make and a million and one things to say, but I'm just sitting here in anguish because to have been kept apart from his child for so many years and to not allow him to have the relationship that he wanted to, and to not allow the child to have her father during her fight with cancer, her fight with any illness. During her last days, he was not able to say goodbye. She was not able to get that father hug or just 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 what a child needs from their parent and what a parent needs to be able to be at peace with their child passing. Like, I can't imagine what he is going through. And I just really wanted to make this video just to kind of bring light to this cause. To ask you guys, please sign the petition, share this video. If you follow me on Instagram, you're able to find the link in my bio. My handle is NiceWorld _. Um, just please, just let's bring light to this attention. Please sign, please forward it, please share, please spread the word. If you want, you can Google her name and you'll get more information on the story. He's definitely hit the ground running to get this law passed. And I just once again want to commend him. And I want to send encouragement to any parent, fathers, mothers, anyone that is going through any type of parent alienation or any type of distress when it comes to co-parenting or just being a part of your child's life. I want to send you encouragement. And as always, guys, this wasn't the video that I intended to make, but this is the video that my spirit is telling me I need to make. So please go to the petition, sign the Menai Act into law, and let's not let this baby's death go in vain. Peace.